Are you now hearing notification sounds for text messages on your Samsung phone? This can happen because of settings errors, do not disturb mode, or software glitches. It's important to fix this so you never miss important messages. Don't worry, this video will show you how to quickly solve the no notification sound issue. Let's get started. Before going forward, try these quick settings. Make sure to turn off the silent mode, turn off the do not disturb mode, battery saving mode. After that, try the following things. Solution 1. Allow message notifications. First, go to the settings. Scroll down, find out apps. Then tap on it. After that, scroll down again. Tap on the message. Then tap on notifications. Make sure to toggle on allow notifications. Then go back to the previous page. Now tap on permission. Scroll down a little bit. Then tap on music and audio. Make sure to select allow from here as well. Solution 2. Turn off the media volume limit. Open up the settings. Then scroll down a little bit. Tap sounds and vibration. Again, scroll down. Next, tap on the volume. Now tap on the three dots icon from the top right corner. Then tap media volume limit. Now simply toggle it off. Afterward, proceed to check whether the volume issue has been resolved. If not, Solution 3. Turn off mono sound. Go back to the settings page. Now scroll down. Find out accessibility. Tap on it. Then tap hearing enhancements. Scroll down again. Toggle off the mono sound. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Go to settings again. Scroll down a little bit. Then tap general management. Scroll down again. Now tap reset. Then scroll down. Now tap reset all settings. Then tap reset settings. Again tap reset. Wait for a while. I hope this was useful. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.